Wouldn't it be nice if you could fly like a bird? These animals can fly very high with their incredible wingspan. Check our list of the top 20 biggest birds. 20. White stork 7 feet 1 wingspan, 2.15 meters. 19. Secretary bird 7 feet 3 wingspan, 2.20 meters. 18. Canada goose 7 feet 5 wingspan, 2.25 meters. 17. Goliath heron 7 feet 7 wingspan, 2.30 meters. 16. Whooping crane 7 feet 7 wingspan, 2.30 meters. 15. Golden eagle 7 feet 9 wingspan, 2.35 meters. 14. Bald eagle 8 feet wingspan, 2.45 meters. 13. Sarus crane 8 feet 2 wingspan, 2.50 meters. 12. Red-crowned crane 8 feet 2 wingspan, 2.50 meters. 11. Wattled crane 8 feet 6 wingspan, 2.60 meters. 10. Australian pelican 8 feet 6 wingspan, 2.60 meters. 9. Saddle-billed stork 8 feet 10 wingspan, 2.70 meters. 8. Bearded vulture 9 feet 4 wingspan, 2.85 meters. 7. Marabou stork 9 feet 10 wingspan, 3.00 meters. 6. American white pelican 9 feet 10 wingspan, 3.00 meters. 5. California condor 9 feet 10 wingspan, 3.00 meters. 4. Trumpeter swan 10 feet 2 wingspan, 3.10 meters. 3. Andean condor 10 feet 6 wingspan, 3.20 meters. 2. Dalmatian pelican 11 feet 4 wingspan, 3.45 meters. 1. Wandering albatross 11 feet 6 wingspan, 3.50 meters. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page.